Weber Bond Epoxy Fill adhesive for tiles and stones on metal and glass surface. For fixing tiles and stones on metal and glass. Keep the following tools handy before you start an application. Make sure you wear safety shoes, face mask, safety goggles and gloves before you start any activities. Free the substrate from dust and other particles with a wet cloth. 1 part of hardener added into 2 parts of resin. Then add 70% filler. Mix thoroughly and then add the remaining filler and mix to get a smooth, uniform and consistent paste. The adhesive should be spread on the surface using the flat surface of the notched trowel. And then notching shall be done in unidirection. Remember, the notching should be perpendicular to the length of the tile. Spread the material as much as you can fix within open time. Firmly press the tile into the adhesive to ensure good initial bonding. Provide shear perpendicular to the direction of the notch. Ensure adequate gap between tiles to accommodate thermal expansion and contraction. Grouting can be done after 24 hours depending upon the usage. For a 3 mm bed thickness, the coverage will be 5 to 6 kg per square meter. Weber Bond Epoxy available in 6 kg pack. Weber Bond Epoxy Fill available in 18 kg pack. Adhesive for tiles and stones on metal and glass surface. For more details, please refer to the technical data sheet.